Alright, see the people. Good morning. We're here. We're gonna see if we can unleash. This one was 4 or 5A? 5A, alright. Go put the 5A upon boost now. Upon boost up with the upon the program. Which one? Alright, that I go one program. So see you look at before. See there? Not touching that one. Just drive come pull up with a coolie on for the day. See what like good is that? Someone wanna stay tuned and a whole heap of action come on, man. Whole heap of action. Alright, so sit down now. See boss brain out now. Boss have a nice living there, man. But everyone video no problem, so I showing everything from before. So we can create a little magic here, man. Huh? Yeah, man, 5A. Under management. Breakfast time. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna go update our one. So we're just merging in the film room. I got some map sensor. One of them lab distributor. And then kick off the show. Even though we go start. Fees will start, chef. Right, fees will start. So you're chatting. You know, you're outside, man. Spin out this and also swag on feet. Alright? Yeah. Thing like you ready now. I wanna go start. If you don't start, bro. This one housekeeping and ready up. Disconnect, man. I can't do it.
Is it? Start load that. Start load that. Okay. That's true. No, must use it. You like to slow.
Prepare for take on the world?
Most like.
Alright.
Walk off your temp. Connect already?
Yeah.
Next one check.
Hold on, move me on for the cars.
Call from Daniel 110 Pram.
Ready?
Yeah. Chef, I mean, is the car started? I don't know. Give us your take. Them dead.
B13 killer.
No, this is not the right thing. Retard. Ah, look a bit more. Right there. Look a bit more. That's 11. Ah, that's 10. What the mark now? Somebody the mark, I mark something now. So this is a mark like that. It at 10 degrees.
Mark you get this with a fresh mark.
Put a fresh mark right now.
In line, you know.
Alright, you see the line there?
So I
That's
need
how we're
one.
working it now. We'll see everything now. And then, ain't gonna work this now. Fuck that, the mark. Alright, let's go. Wally, let's go. Yes, I see the people luckily start. Boss, what thing is well up. And everything there. Where's the boss? How you feel? Living boss, how you feel?
B13 killer.
Take time talking to the video. Be careful. See, from where's the water? Why
No, yeah, not what I said. That's when I understand murderer.
You need to record, somebody that call me.
So not free now. This.
So see there.
Run a 7 injector in this life.
Yeah. Alright, so. Yeah, look, I look. Good idea, look still. Yeah. What I'm out then put on it. But I know I'm out there right now still. Alright, then go get the distributor well up now. Look for some more update. But see actually what I gonna time and sync up and everything. So yeah man. Dog feel good so. Don't know. Get it man. Outside I call it time.
NZ killer! Who's ready? Baby!
Previously on Dennis Perform.
Alright! Close easy, killer. Crazy.